Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, an equilateral triangle has a side length 13 centimeter. What is the area of a region of all the points outside the equilateral triangle that are within 4 centimeter of the triangle? Here, the region described contains 3 rectangles with dimensions 13 by 4. Here we can observe there are 3 rectangles of the dimension 13 by 4 and 3 120-degree arcs of circle, and these are with radius 4. Therefore, the answer will be 3 into 13 by 4 plus 3 into 120 degree divided by 360 degree into 4 square pi. So it is 156 plus 16 pi. So our correct option is option B. That is 156 plus 16 pi. And it is in square centimeter.